Hello, my name is Amber Daniels. I currently reside in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. I've lived in Philly for pretty much all my life. I currently am working as an investigator for the Department of Human Services. I've worked in this position for the last 10 years. My job duties are assessing safety of abused or neglected children and families. I investigate families, and sometimes I do have to remove children from their homes, which can be very challenging and stressful. I'm also a mother of two children. I have two daughters. I also have two cats, a dog, which is a pit bull named Sunny, and he's my baby. Pits get a bad rep, but he's such a good dog. I graduated with my undergrad degree in psychology. So it's a little bit different that I'm pursuing a social work degree. Working with the families that I work with, I want to be able to, work well with them and learn new things so that I can be beneficial to the families that I service. I'm, a little nervous about pursuing this degree after being out of school since 2004. So this is something new, but I'm excited and ready for the challenge. And I look forward to working with you all this year.